Small kitchens often feel like a design puzzle, but limited square footage doesn't mean limiting your culinary ambitions. The secret lies in highly strategic planning, prioritizing function, and integrating design elements that trick the eye into seeing expansive space. Let's transform your cozy kitchen into a powerhouse of efficiency and style. Number 1. The up strategy, taming the walls. The fastest way to expand without knocking down walls is to utilize vertical space from the counter up to the ceiling. Install modular pegboard systems for utensil storage, use magnetic knife strips, and stack tiered spice racks. This method frees up critical counter space and transforms previously unused wall area into prime accessible storage real estate. Number 2. Disappearing acts, integrated and foldable prep zones. Invest in components that serve multiple roles and can be hidden away. This includes pull-out cutting boards that slide back into the counter frame, retractable dining surfaces, or even a butcher block island on casters that doubles as mobile preparation space and temporary seating. Look for appliances that are fully integrated behind cabinet panels for a seamless look. Number 3. Illusion of grandeur, lighting and reflective surfaces. Good lighting is the cheapest expansion tool available. Use focused task lighting, under-cabinet LED strips, to eliminate dark shadows that make a room shrink. Furthermore, consider integrating highly reflective materials like mirrored backsplashes or glossy lacquered cabinet finishes. These surfaces bounce natural and artificial light around the room, making walls seem farther apart. Number 4. The skinny appliance diet. Full-sized appliances devour crucial square footage. Rather than forcing standard models, seek out slimline alternatives designed for urban living. 24-inch or drawer dishwashers, compact induction cooktops, and counter-depth refrigeration. Prioritize quality over capacity. Focus only on the appliances you use daily to keep the footprint manageable. Number 5. Deep dive organization, harnessing inner space. Standard cabinets are space hogs if they aren't optimized internally. To ensure every cubic inch is accessible and maximized, install pull-out pantry shelving, especially for narrow cabinets, blind corner organizers, like kidney-shaped Lazy Susans, and specialized door-mounted racks for spices, foil, or cleaning supplies. Accessibility is key to maintaining organization in tight quarters. Number 6. Airy alternatives, trading uppers for open shelves. While traditional upper cabinets provide maximum storage, their visual bulk can make a small kitchen feel oppressively claustrophobic. Replace some or all of your upper cabinetry with sleek, floating open shelving, especially glass or light-colored wood. This lightens the room immediately, providing practical storage for attractive daily items without compromising the sightlines. Number 7. Color psychology and continuous flow. Maintain a consistent, light color palette. Think crisp whites, soft grays, or pale greens across the kitchen to prevent the space from feeling choppy. For flooring, use larger format tiles or planks laid diagonally. Minimizing grout lines and avoiding visual clutter creates a continuous, uninterrupted sightline that tricks the brain into perceiving a much larger, cohesive room. Number 8. Movement matters, sliding doors and handleless design. In a tight space, every inch required for door swing is lost utility. Opt for handleless push-to-open drawers or sleek sliding cabinet doors where possible, eliminating the need for clearance space in the walkway. For pantries or utility closets, consider installing pocket doors that vanish into the wall, ensuring the workflow remains smooth and obstruction-free.